Hey everyone! In today's RBC Mobile App tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy an ETF directly from your phone. Whether you're just starting your investing journey or adding to your portfolio, this is super simple and straightforward. So once you open up RBC, head into your investing account. For this demo, I'll use my RBC Direct Investing account. Once you're in, scroll to the bottom, tap the yellow arrow, and then press Place Order. At the top of the Place Order page, type in the ETF ticker of your choice. For example, I'll use VFV, the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF. You'll notice it says ETF on the right-hand side, which confirms you're selecting the right one. Once it loads, pick the account you want to use for the purchase, review everything, and complete your order. And that's it. Easy, quick, and all from your phone. Buying ETFs on RBC is really intuitive, and now you can manage your investments on the go. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a like, and stay tuned for more tips on investing using RBC Mobile.